In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Eventbrite email. Before we start, a quick note. You'll need to use a web browser for this process. The Eventbrite mobile app doesn't support changing your email address. If you're on a phone or tablet, just open your browser and go to the Eventbrite website. If you're on a computer, any modern browser will work. Begin by signing into your Eventbrite account in the browser. Once you're logged in, head to your account settings. You'll usually find this by clicking your profile icon or name in the upper corner and selecting the Settings or Account option. In Account Settings, look for the section that shows your current email address. There will be a button or link labeled Change. Click that to start updating your email. On the Change screen, type in the new email address you'd like to use. Make sure it's an address you can access and that it's typed correctly. Small typos can delay your updates. Eventbrite will also ask for your current password. This security step confirms it's really you making the change and helps protect your account. Enter your password, then select Save. There are a couple of important rules to keep in mind. First, the new email address cannot already be associated with another Eventbrite account. If you see a message that the email is in use, you'll need to choose a different address or sign in with the account that already uses that email. Second, after you save, Eventbrite will send a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox for a message from Eventbrite. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folders just in case. This message serves as a record of your change and is helpful for your own tracking. If you no longer have access to the old email on your account, try resetting your password first. On the Eventbrite sign-in page, choose the option to reset or forgot password, then follow the instructions. This can help you regain access to your account, even if you've lost access to the original inbox. If you still can't log in after trying a reset, reach out to Eventbrite support through the Eventbrite Help Center. From there, you can look up account access guidance or contact the support team for additional help. That's it. With a browser, your current password, and a unique new email address, updating your Eventbrite email is quick and secure. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your account update.